Today I'll be showing how I installed this magnetic screen door. It came packaged with no tools, very easy to install. So what I did was I laid it on the ground and made it flat, and then they add this Velcro thing with it. So all I had to just do is just take the Velcro and attach it with it. So this is a peel off, very easy to use and very, very easy to do. And I love that the material is polyester. This screen door is going to prevent flies from coming into my house, and it's so easy to use. I can see the exterior when I'm using it, and I also love that it is frameless. And when I'm done putting the Velcro, I start off by sticking the middle top part first before I stick the other sides. This took short time to do, less than 10 minutes it was done. I love that this is very, very sturdy. It wasn't burgeoning, although they did bring push pin with it, but I didn't need to use that push pin. The magnet stuck very well. I was able to use it and just go in and out with the magnet closing when I go in. So after I enter, the magnet closes on its own. That was absolutely amazing. I also can come out and the magnet also closes, so no bugs are going to be coming in. I can use this indoor also in the bedroom, and I can also keep the netting away to expose such a beautiful arrangement. I absolutely love how this looks like. I love that it fitted perfectly to size, and it's such sturdy, good quality material that it came with. So this is beautiful. It made my patio area look beautiful, and I absolutely love it.